So you saw one time a journalist asked me, say, are you in the CNN? It was, I must have seen it. And when I said, I don't know.
Does Rwanda currently have any troops at all in Eastern DRC?
I don't know.
You're the commander-in-chief.
Yeah, there are many things I don't know. But if you want to ask me, is there a problem in Congo that concerns Rwanda? Simply, that is really technically not an answer I should have given. But also technically, it is an answer that would not take me to court. So, how do you prosecute an ignorant man who doesn't know what you're even talking about? It becomes difficult. So, but this whole back and forth thing has trivialized the real issue. The real problem has been trivialized. But there are bigger issues to deal with. Congo must own up. They have responsibilities and must not transfer their responsibilities to Rwanda. We're not responsible for Congo.